Hey superstars, today I'm going to transform this wig that I did for my client who's going through chemo into a beautiful Mother's Day style. She wanted crimps, so I'm going to transform it into this right now so she can be Mother's Day ready. If you want to see how I do this, stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic. Today I will be using the stove and the Marcel Irons to crimp my client's wig. She's going through chemo, but that doesn't stop our flow with our customized wig that I did for her a couple of weeks ago. So today we're going to crimp it with the Marcel Irons. And I had in one of my videos, which I'll list down below, I showed you how to test irons if you are going to use the stove and the Marcel iron. The crimps just come out better and they last longer than electric. So what I'm doing now, I showed you all the pump it up spray I use, spritz, and then I use a hair polish for shine. So we're just going to get started on this wig. It is the Saturday before Mother's Day and we are in the shop, but we are practicing social distancing. We're having a Mother's Day social distancing quarantine Mother's Day party, so you will see us doing drinks and shots. Now that we got that out the way, hello everyone. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell because I come out with videos weekly. If you are coming back, welcome back my superstars. I love you, gang, superstar gang. Okay, so without further ado, enjoy the music, enjoy this video. If you are a stylist or you're just somebody who has a question of what I'm doing, let me stop there. I am flat ironing first. I didn't do that to the bottom line, but I'm flat ironing first. Then we're going back over with the crimping iron, a little spritz, a little hair polish. On that note, okay, now enjoy the music and I hope you enjoy this video. I'll be back. Oh, and if you have any questions about what I'm doing, please list your question in the comment below. I will answer immediately.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Ta-ta, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze fueled tea. Let's get girly, girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, long ways. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly, girly. Let's get girly, girly. That's my energy, big dick energy. Never let a fake hoe get in front of me. Bitch, you better let go, you can't take the heat. That's my energy, big dick energy. Superstar, I'm a superstar. When I walk in the room, go dark. Took your girl and I don't feel sorry, no way. Just plain, don't be scared of me. Having fun. A, B, C, D, E, F, you want. Cup of Hennessy and a blunt. Like a fog machine, can't name one. Bitch, you drip like me. That's my energy, big dick energy. Never let a fake hoe get in front of me. Bitch, you better let go, you can't take the heat. That's my energy, big dick energy. That's my energy, big dick energy. Never let a fake hoe get in front of me. Bitch, you better let go, you can't take the heat. That's my energy, big dick energy.
12 inches, take a poll. I'm uncut out of control. Stroke of genius, about to blow like you never seen before. Once a week, post on Instagram and they be screaming goals. I be busy breaking molds, catching ice, I'm too cold. Yeah, frappuccino mocha, don't give me granola. I might turn my back on you, beach like Corona, Reamer or Corolla. Can't fuck up my aura. I got so much balls, you could call it tapioca. I got all these cameras all around me. Always TMZ in my vicinity. They be tryna bling on my frequency. Got my fingers covered in Swarovski. Champagne breath in the party. Fendi balls hanging from my car keys. How do I put this harshly? Play a fake bitch like a Barbie. Just drop it like it's hot quick. For the 7 million fans that I be with. You wanna be slick, but you cannot fit. So you better put it back and you stop prick.
Having fun. A, B, C, D, E, F, you want. Cup of Hennessy and a blunt. Like a fog machine, can't name one. Bitch, you drip like me. That's my energy, big dick energy. Never let a fake hoe get in front of me. Bitch, you better let go, you can't take the heat. That's my energy, big dick energy. That's my energy, big dick energy. Never let a fake hoe get in front of me. Bitch, you better let go, you can't take the heat. That's my energy, big dick energy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, yeah. Rolling buzz down. I just touched down. Don't do no lean. Yeah. Put the crush down. Yeah. Club going crazy as shit. Yeah. Feel like I made it and shit. Some of you niggas look dusty. They need a maintenance bitch. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Everybody hit the floor. You got bottles, I got more. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Oh yeah. Stop now. Make it pop now. Tell my voice to get her moist just like my watch now. Hey, this for the people that said I can rap. Have to do it for y'all like I'm Little Duval. I just live my best life all the time through it all. And I love 9 to 5s. All I get is blowjobs. I don't need no blowjobs. I got hoes in the bill. But I don't call them hoes, cause I know they might trip. Cause I know they might flip. Acrobatics, gymnastics. The cutest appear like the 8 that don't magic. Like, voila. Ta-da. Baby, just tell me the problem. I know you nasty, you can't call me daddy, but I just might still be your father. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 Everybody hit the floor. You got bottles, I got more. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the
Hey, kid, hey, girl. Hey, girl. You better not fuck with me.
Okay, superstars, this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, hit that notification bell so that you can be a part of the superstar gang. And now I'm going to show you the finished product on my beautiful client. She cute. You look great, kid. You really do.